Hello there, welcome to another video of PS Wedding Crafts. In today's video, we're going to be looking at some wicked vehicles, starting from some toddler toy cars all the way up to cars for Dad's desk. I'll have to motor along, but enjoy the video. For those of you who are looking for a vehicle that's a bit more fuel efficient, we have the perfect vehicle for you. Hey, now that I'm back, just want to give you a heads up, these next vehicles coming up are a little bit more my style. Thanks for watching. If you see anything you like, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And if you're curious as to how any of these things are made, please leave a comment. And also, Happy Easter from all of us. Surf's up, but I gotta go. Take care till next time.